Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GabrielesMist. This is Rosemary, also known as Vivikarrina. I have another unboxing to do. This is from 5B Soaps. I ordered for her from her because I wanted to try her soaps. So yeah, I want to try everyone's soap. That happened. Who don't? Who doesn't? Okay, so we'll be open this and I don't know from I don't know, too much tape. Okay, let's work it. So yeah, I made a videos about swaps that we are going to do in 2019. One is running right now in YouTube. Is the sign up for January 2019. It's a winter theme. If you already have your soaps made, you can participate, but if you don't, you can participate in the one from March. That is going to be the sign up in January, and the swap is going to be on Facebook, and it's going to be for March, for spring. You can sign up in there. The video is in my channel if you are interested. Obviously the information is in that video. So now we're going to talk about this. Okay, here are the soaps. This one is World Latte Love. I ordered coffee. Look at her label. It's very beautiful. Her label is craft. Handmade premium soaps. And here are the ingredients. I don't have my hands dirty. What happened is that I was working with the printer, my printer, and the ink, I was changing the ink, and the ink decided to stamp my hands. Anyway, here are the ingredients. Look at the swirls, how beautiful. Isn't they beautiful? And you can see the coffee in there, the beans. This is very pretty. I don't know how much it weighs, but I believe it's about 5 ounces. Really well packaged. I can smell it through there. Have a little opening. Very pretty. Then I believe it was opening from here, but this is very taped. So let me put everything like this. Okay. And here's the card. Yeah, because the crinkle papers was hooked to the tape. So okay, this is my invoice, handwritten. Oh, so cute. And thank you so much for happy Merry Christmas to you too, and Happy New Year also. This, oh, you're so cute. That is very pretty. Here is her business card. Okay, this is her business card. Hope you can see it. Pretty. Okay, now we have here a butterscotch with the embed. Beautiful swirls. I love her swirls. The ingredients: it has glitter, and let's smell. This one doesn't have a, oh yeah, it does. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Butterscotch. Smells really good. Love it. Okay, that is that one. This one is, I don't know which one is this one. But it's pretty. It's pretty. I don't remember which one is this one. If I know the name, I will post it, the name in the screen. Then again, the ingredients, the swirls are gorgeous, very beautiful, very beautiful. The embeds, pumpkin embeds. This is very pretty. I love it. The colors are awesome. And she beveled, very nice. Her soaps. The next one is orange patchouli. I love patchouli, okay? I love it. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. This one is a tall bar. I don't know how many ounces. Maybe 4 to 5. Let's see how it smells. But these bars are very clean bars. Look at her little logo there. Stamp, no logo. That was a stamp. Okay. Oh my goodness. I ordered one different from her, but she was out of that soap, and we talked about it, and she introduced me to this one, and I said, well, okay, and oh my god, I'm glad I did. And I'm glad she did, and I am glad I chose this one because it smells awesome. Goodness, it's great. I love it. And this one is unicorn poop, I believe, maybe. Yes, I think it's that one. Then again, I will post the names in the screen because I have bad memory, so the only thing I can do is write and I will remember. If not, I won't. So look at these colors. They are gorgeous. They're very beautiful. The ingredients are here. This is a tall bar, just like this one. They look good. They look good together. They look good together. Okay. Then again, this is a beautiful bar. Let me smell it. Here is the unicorn poop. Oh, so sweet. Oh my god. This is a sweet smell. Very, very sweet, and I love it. This is earthy, fruity, sweet. Earthy, fruity scent. This is a coffee scent. This is a sweet scent too, but it's I don't know how to say it. Butterly, maybe. This one, I don't remember. I have to smell it again. yeah, this one is a fall scent, and this one is a sweet scent. For kids, it's awesome. An awesome scent for kids. So yeah, this is all the soaps I got from her. This was an order. I love it. Thank you so much for sending this before Christmas. And I will be linking her website, her channel. I will be linking her channel in the description box. Please go and visit her. We are a small community of soapers, and we should support one another. I know there's out there bigger soapers and bigger channels, but every soaper makes soap different, and every soaper have different creations, you know. No soap is the same, never. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and tell me what you think about my channel. Thank you so much. Blessings, and have a blessed rest of the day. Bye bye.